Hi everyone, it's Lisa Brown with InkandInspirations.com. Thanks for joining me today. In this video, we're going to be doing a little treat wrap. This one is for a package of gum, such as this one, and I thought it would be cute for this time of year with this Thanksgiving theme, and you could give it to someone, just a thinking of you gift, or to show someone you're grateful. And the sentiment is from the Labels to Love stamp set, and I've also used the coordinating everyday label punch to back this, and so we're going to get started. It's really easy assembly, and we're using a piece of designer paper from the Country Lane Designer Series Paper Collection from the Stampin' Up! Holiday Catalog 2018, and this piece measures 3 3/4 by 6. Now we're going to be doing some scoring on the 6-inch side. So let's put that in toward the top here, and we're going to do a score at 1 3/4, 2 1/4, 4 1/4, and 4 3/4. Okay. Get that out of the way, and let's fold on these score lines, and it's simply going to wrap around this little gum package. And so we're going to overlap one side over the other. We've got our pumpkins going the right way, or one way or the other on the other side, and so we're going to call this the top and this the bottom so that our print is going the right way. And I'm going to put some snail adhesive right here on this edge that overlaps. And you don't want to do it too tight because you want that to be able to slide out. Now, you need a corresponding contrasting piece of Designer Series paper cut at 1 inch by 12 to wrap around this as a belly band. And so you just center that, eyeball it, and kind of bend it around the edges and just give it a crease with your fingers. And this is going to overlap in the back, and that's how we're going to adhere it one over the other. So make sure that you don't do it too tight because you want this to slip on and off easily. Okay, so I'm going to leave it a little bit loose there and put some adhesive right here, and then bring this over, just over top, just like that. And there we have our cute little belly band. Now let's do some simple stamping. Okay, I've got the stamp Give Thanks mounted on a clear block, a scrap piece of Whisper White cardstock, and I'm going to use Cajun Craze ink as is on this Designer Series paper. And so let's just ink that up and give it a stamp. And then I'm going to punch that with a 1 1/2 inch circle punch. Like this, center that, and then punch. And then I have a scrap piece of mint macaron, which is another color in that designer paper. And I'm going to take a 1 3/4 inch circle punch and punch that out. And then I'm going to mount the sentiment over the mint macaron circle, just like that. Then I'll take the everyday label punch and a piece of Cajun Craze cardstock, punch that out, and now let's put this over top there. Okay. And now all we're going to do is put that on top of the belly band. Now I'm just putting adhesive in the center so it only sticks to the belly band so that it will slide on and off. So just go across the center like that, and then adhere that, and you can see where that will slide up and down and come off the package easily. And then to dress it up a little bit, I am using the Leaves trinkets. These are in the annual catalog, and you've got several styles there. I'm using this triple leaf in this pewter color and just going to attach that with a glue dot behind. Okay, there's a little gift idea for you and an easy wrap. If you have any questions, let me know. Visit my website at inkandinspirations.com, and I will talk to you again soon. Take care. Bye-bye.